Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new video and it's been a while. Today we're doing a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the phone from the future, which is the Oppo Find X. The Oppo Find X has been incredible for the past few days that I've been using it, and it's such a powerful phone that I want to test out against the Galaxy S9 Plus, and this is the homegrown version with the Exynos 9810 processor. So I never actually tested out the S9 Plus against a 845 device, so this is gonna be a new for me, and especially with the Oppo Find X, I'm interested to see how it's gonna perform against one of the best performing phones on the market, which is the S9 Plus. So as always, we're gonna start things off by booting both phones up at the same time. Here we go, and let's see which is going to be faster in this first boot up round. The Galaxy S9 Plus is one of the fastest phones out there when it comes to booting up. Let's see if the Find X can beat that. And okay, the S9 Plus still slightly faster there. Almost 1 second of a difference there, but the S9 Plus does win by a very small margin. So let's get right into the applications. We have a lot of them to test out here. But first, just to show you guys that everything is closed up in the background on both phones. On the Oppo Find X, you can see the available RAM information. So we have 5.44 gigs out of 8 GB of total RAM, which is a lot of RAM for the applications. Okay, let's kick things off with the first application, which is going to be the basic phone dialer. We like to start off cool with the warm-up, so here we go. And as you can see, that was definitely quicker on the Oppo Find X. Settings. And again, the Oppo Find X is faster. Oppo has definitely implemented some fast animation, so let's see if the animations are going to help it or not with the third-party applications. First up is the Instagram, and let's see which one is going to be faster. And as you can see, that is about the same. Maybe the Galaxy S9 Plus was a little bit quicker there. We'll check out my profile, and that got loaded up about the same on both phones. Let's launch the first game of the session, which is going to be Subway Surfers. And Oppo Game Space, I think. Yes, this is loaded up in the background, and you can see it is faster than the S9 Plus. Okay, so far so good for the Oppo Find X. Moving on to some heavy duty stuff, which is going to be the Asphalt 9. So I'm gonna launch at the same time. Here we go. Let's see. The new Asphalt 9, I have done the gameplay comparison between the S9 Plus, iPhone 10, and the OnePlus 6 on the channel. You could check that out. So let's see. Seems like both phones are about the same. No, the S9 Plus is a little bit quicker there. So first gaming win for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Pin out. A little bit quicker on the Oppo Find X. Spotify. And faster on the Oppo Find X. Smash Hit. Another game. And a little bit faster on the Find X. PS Express. About the same. And lastly, we'll be launching the cameras on both phones at the same time. Here we go. And the Galaxy S9 Plus definitely faster because this is the mechanical setup on the Oppo Find X. So this definitely takes some time when we launch the camera. So it's a really good performance on both phones. The S9 Plus is the phone that I had for a couple of months, and you can see, as people say sometimes with Samsung phone, that they do get slow, but it is still almost as fast as the latest Snapdragon 845 device. With that being said, the Find X was a little bit quicker in some tasks. Let's move on to some browsing actions. So Google Chrome up against the Samsung Internet Browser. First up, we have apple.com on both phones, and as you can see, the Oppo Find X is a little bit quicker, and the S9 Plus is now done. If we scroll down, both are really smooth, no problem issues whatsoever. Next up, we have wikipedia.org, and again, same result, the Oppo Find X a little bit faster. Now time for the RAM management. This is the favorite part of the speed test. We'll get to see which one has the better optimization. We've seen phones with 8 GB of RAM refreshing stuff. So let's see if the Find X can keep all of these applications in the memory. First up, phone dialer still there on both phones. And remember, I have the latest updates installed on my S9 Plus, so it's gonna be fair and square. Settings still there. Instagram still there. Quora, Subway Surfers. And we actually got a refresh on the Oppo Find X despite having 8GB of RAM. Wow, so first refresh there with the Find X. Let's see if Asphalt 9 is kept there or not. S9 Plus going perfect. And the Oppo is also keeping that in the memory. Pinout, still there. Spotify, Smash Hit, Photoshop Express. And we're back to the browsers on both phones. So the RAM management round is won by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It's 0 refresh, while there was just 1 refresh on the Oppo Find X. But overall, the performance was really good on the Find X. It was most of the time slightly ahead of the S9 Plus. And the S9 Plus, despite being a couple of months old, it is still performing like a new phone. So that is pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, that was the quick speed test comparison between the Oppo Find X versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.